Welcome back to Aside Hot. If you now look the studio where we go see say smoke plenty when they come out, because the topic we carry come out today now the one when we say they generate plenty sparks. What we they discuss now as it take concern the Senate President, Senate Bukola Saraki. People don't come and contact say based on the case when he gets with the Code of Conduct Tribunal, say making step aside. Other people they talk say no. Some people when they call them to step aside don't declare them guilty even before the court find out what they won't find out. When they take calls, everybody when don't come and don't talk and say making there until the case finish. Make we hear what Oga Emmanuel from Lagos get to talk for this matter.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Emmanuel, would they greet you?
Yeah, Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I beg, what me I want to talk about this matter this all these things now we're chanting. Right now. Because if you watch how this man became
Senate President.
It was a tug of war. And till now, I believe all of them still, all his political, enemies, they are still looking for a way just to bring him down. It's not enough for him to resign because the man is doing a good job. Instead of them beating around the bush, because that's what I see, they are just beating around the bush. That is not what Nigeria needs as it is now. We want this country to move forward, not, look at, the man is being stressed up already. And this is the Senate President, someone who's supposed to sit and, make accurate decisions on the issue concerning the country. People are busy with hunting him, distracting him, because it's a distraction. We don't need all this. Because they are still playing politics. That is how I see the whole thing. It is wrong.
Okay, Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel, we don't hear your own view. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much for your contribution. And from your own mind, if it's not because of say, yes, they get issue, the way they enter Senate President, now because of that one, then they try do it and they try to look for all means to at least bring her down. But then, we will also look at this way. If just as Oga, this person, Oga Agre talk, if to say now society, like in a civilized society, say this somebody like go don't do it, go don't step down. But before we go that further, maybe we collect this call from Oga Obiora. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Yeah, good morning, good morning, how are you doing?
Good day, Oga Obiora.
I bet you could never take a minute on time. No, one day fight for this station. We never like them.
No, we no go fight. Now him he go need to won. One, I'm serious because anyway, if we go fight anyway, you don't go start from me because.
Hello, Sugodi.
Oga Obiora, they hear you.
I want to clear some issues before I comment on today's one.
Okay.
Yesterday when I said that APC was formed on propaganda and they win election through propaganda, somebody called and thinking to say that I am abusing the president. It is not. Let me inform people. Propaganda doesn't mean cause. Propaganda, the meaning of propaganda is information, idea, or rumor deliberately spread widely to harm or help a person. And again, if you Google propaganda, you will see one of the meaning of propaganda. When a government says one thing to intentionally get the public attention, belief on what they are saying, why they know that thing is false. Now, for example, APC promised this country when they are campaigning that they will feed pupils, that is the genius to people. Now, are they doing it? No. Again, they promised to create either 2 million jobs or 2,000 jobs. Now, we are on the 4th month. They don't have any plan of creating even one. When the 1 year. So, APC supporters, they will not expect us to cool down and wait until after 4 years before we will start to talk. We will talk. Again, when Baba called, I said that Zaria and Unimed, they are not admitting Christians. It's not what I said. I said that Zaria and Unimed is not admitting Christians in professional course as medicine, law, or engineering, especially medicine. because the complaint comes from medicine, not for all the causes. So what I wanted us to do is to do more investigation, especially you people that you are in journalism. You can go further, and I am happy when the man called, because it shows that people are hearing what we are saying. You know, the other time, I called and said that some Muslims, they don't take food from Christians. So somebody called and said that it's a lie. I thank God that somebody called again and said that it's true from Jos. So what I'm saying is that all this allegation is something that we will need people, human rights activists, let all people that are concerned investigate, because we want unity of this country.
Very true.
Then, coming to our issue today, in Nigeria, we have not seen a president or a governor that they are accused and the person resigned. And you know, not only in Nigeria, in Africa complete. So in Africa country, you will not see a president or a senator, a governor that they are
under pressure that resigns.
So we have not seen it. So if Saraki will resign, that means he's a hero and he's number one person that does that. So people that are expecting for him to resign. Now Saraki is a free man and is not guilty yet until he's guilty. So let them allow the man to, let them convict him before they ask him to resign. That's my contribution.
Ogobiora, thank you very, very much.
Right about now, I'm leading. You know that.
Nobody's leading anything.
Oga Obiora.
Why? Don't give me any count.
Oga Cyril.
Don't give me any count.
Everybody they clear.
Don't give me any count. Oga Lucky is calling us right about now. Don't start that your counting. Oga Lucky, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shukudi.
Oga Lucky, we greet you back.
Abeg, please, don't be quarrel. We go take do this Saraki matter.
Okay.
The thing is that Saraki, they don't say make he appear in court. So maybe allow the man. Now only how many count charge?
13.
13 count charge. This is a country where somebody, when they don't charge over 100 count charges, they against him, and the person went free.
Thank you.
In Nigeria. Now only 13 count charge. Now they get.
So Oga Lucky, are you encouraging it?
They cook the 13. They cook them. They cook them.
Make we wait. Make them finish. Waiting they go finish.
Oh.
If they finish the case, the thing they find out guilty, then we cannot talk of how he go take resign or he go come out. They never finish. They don't kill him.
Thank you.
What are some people? I not call anybody name. Some people when they say okay, they give Nigeria 3 months. Say these Jaguda people. They go finish. If you not finish, they go resign.
Okay.
So the thing is, make we just take all this thing easy. Let us fight the problem of Nigeria. As the corruption goes by, then before better things, do they come.
Oga Lucky, thank you very, very much.
Oga Lucky, thank you for your contribution.
I don't say Unkubi body don't calm down. Your body is coming down.
What is coming down?
Your body is coming down.
Listen, this is Nigerians. Nobody knows they talking.
But they are firing you.
That's why I open the phone. They mention my name.
To say the truth.
They mention my name.
To say the truth.
They mention my name.
Wait till Oga Cyril talk.
They mention my name here. Not tell so they fire me. Oga Omi, good morning. Don't ever talk so they fire me here. They are firing the both of us.
You are the one they are firing.
Good morning, Omi.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Oga Omi, good morning, sir.
I don't know not take easy this.
You go one this man.
Because you know they agree talk true.
I don't know not take easy. No, not take easy. The truth about the matter be saber. May APC, may they leave all. Make all this APC, may they leave all this what they want to do.
Thank you.
Say from the day when Saraki entered that post, he just do that by magic.
Not true, yes.
What did they know expect? But that is not what they promise us. They promise us that they are going to make everything unchanging. So changing means it's who you don't expect will get the post.
Thank you.
Okay.
Because it's the not right and normal person. So that is why Saraki get the post.
Thank you.
Just like the president. Majority of people don't expect our father, Buhari, to win the election. But he win the election by the grace of God. So also APC to come with a flag of this is who they want. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that.
Thank you.
And it's from their party. So the best thing for them is to unite. The best thing for them is to unite and gather themselves and support the man.
Thank you.
Once it's their party.
Thank
To
you.
support the man by leaving the fight of the fight they are fighting now. The fight they are fighting now make Nigeria to stand still.
That is why, Ogomi, for this fight not to continue, for us to respect ourselves and not bring in distraction for the house, that is why some Nigerians or some group they talk.
Some Nigerians,
hold on.
some
The same way
Nigerians,
some Nigerians they call to make it stand there. Some Nigerians they call say, okay, resign so we go feel move ahead.
Well, resign will not. Okay, if he resign, who is going to take that post?
Thank you.
They can
resign.
somebody else.
You see?
Okay,
You see?
if he resign, is the deputy going to take the post?
Who is from the PDP?
Okay, Ogomi, thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much. Nkubi, can you see yourself?
Don't tell me to see myself.
Can you see yourself?
Who is seeing himself here?
You are seeing yourself.
Don't tell me. Kule, anyway.
I'm with you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Talk to us.
Yeah. Nkubi. Nakwana.
Lafiani.
I greet Oga Shukudi.
Oga, I greet you because I know say you dey talk truth.
The issue is that what is happening now is very clear to everybody.
Thank
Understand
you.
now? This is not the way we want them to fight the corruption. Understand now? Are they telling us that it's only the Charaki that did not declare the true asset 2003? Even the president then and the vice president and all of them, are they telling us that it's only Charaki that did not declare the true asset that time? Understand now? And again, do you know, they say political sagacity is not the matter of charism, but it's very amazing. Understand now? This is amazing. Understand now? This is not the type of what we are expecting from them. Understand now? For now. For me, I can't say that Saraki should resign. Understand now? They say Aluta continue, Victoria Sata. I'm sure he's going to, the victory. He will have the victory. Understand now? Because let me tell you something. When you gang up against someone because of a position, this is not what Nigeria is expecting from you. What we are expecting is much more than this. Understand now? We are expecting more than this from them. Understand now? Not that maybe you want to fight corruption, you now select it because this person did not loyal to you or did not listen to you. And because of that, because this, they have said this, they are delaying this the ministerial list. They have promised themselves that they are going to remove the man by September. Just take note.
Okay, where you get that information from?
Calm down, leave him, let him talk.
Again, let me tell you something. Understand now? When they agreed campaign that time, the chairman of the party said that time was saying that it's only the general that did not have house in Abuja. He says the only head of state that did not have house in Abuja. He only have in Kaduna and Katsina. But when he declared his asset, we see house in Kano, we see in Abuja, even Matana, we even see that in Port Harcourt. Okay, such a thing. Now, what of tomorrow now? You understand me? So let be sincere to ourselves. They should leave the man alone and let the court decide.
Oga Kunle from Kaduna, thank you very much. You don't finish matter of this talk. What do you have to say? If you allow him continue to talk, he go dey fire you the more. He don't fire you finish. What do you have to say?
You mentioned my name.
No, what do you have to say?
Kunle is like every other regular Nigerians who don't call on this
all
program.
The 19 people wey don't call, wey don't talk say, make they allow the court decide.
And you need to be pro.
Make they allow the court decide.
In fact, I go submit your name, Chukwudi Cyprian Ezugwu, to at least code of conduct bureau, make them check you out. Because with this kind of lie where they lie here, they need to check it out to also know how your asset declaration last year, how it be now. Oga Chile, good morning. Mind yourself. Oga Chile, good morning, Jare. You don't take.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chile.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Chile, I greet you. Good morning, sir.
You don't take long.
You don't take.
We don't miss you well.
The line, they worry so much.
No verse, I beg.
The matter at hand. See, let us be truthful to ourselves. Anybody that is calling on Saraki to resign now is not. That person does not mean well for this country. Now, understand me, when I said that, I am not saying that Saraki is the best person for Nigeria.
Okay.
But I am saying, in the face of law, that man is still innocent. He has not been proven guilty.
Okay.
And if he is stampeded out of office now that the case has not even been concluded, it will lead a very bad precedent. What will happen next is that APC will focus their attention back on the deputy. Because
yes,
that is the plan. They will not go for deputy. And after the deputy, they will go for another person. So it will be very wrong for anybody to call. Those people that are calling him to resign, are they innocent? How many politicians in Nigeria that declare the correct assets? how many politicians in Nigeria that is not supposed to be at that conduct tribunal? After all, let me also remind us that even though that our Papa Buhari declared his assets, his vice, did they declare all? The law says you declare your own and your spouses and your sons and children. So did they finish it all? So if there is an adage in Igbo land that says if you continue to open and unravel the wrapper of an old woman, you will see shit. And so no politician in Nigeria is innocent. And so if those people are calling for him to resign, they should be checked to declare their own asset. Let us see what they have. I am not supporting him for what he did. What if ever that he did it. What I'm saying is that he should be allowed. Let the law take its own course.
Actually, in fact, this is how we talk now. I don't go talk say calm me down, but then I throw hand out for you for this contribution where you contribute.
Which hand you go through give Oga Kunle? Which hand you go through give Oga Cyril? Which hand you go through give Oga Emmanuel? Unkubi, the tide is against you. Everybody when don't call here now, don't support me. Your hand don't fall. You don't get any hand.
Why my hand go fall?
You don't get any hand to throw again.
Listen to me. I want
which hand you get to throw again?
Make you hear me clear on this matter.
Only 2 people support you.
Listen to me.
Only 2 people.
Will you listen to me? Listen, I'm not talking say okay. Emperor Joe, they call us. Good morning, Emperor. Because I'm still going to address this matter the way I want to address it.
Emperor Joe, we greet you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Make una take as easy as beg.
Now who could be go tell you?
You need to warn this man here.
I'm very calm.
See, wait, later I want make una understand. You see the issue of this Saraki. You know, they say something. You say you when you see yourself like one kind, like saying that they play competition and I want become champion or something. Once you don't enter that like that struggle, you take enter that champion wherever where you carry that trophy. You go find how you say go take maintain there. You understand what I mean? You know, Saraki as an individual is very ambitious. You understand me now? And the people weighing the deal with, it's normal in Nigeria. Every politician in Nigeria, we need to forgive. If you offend. We don't forgive. Let's just take it. Now the truth. So he don't know say they go hold up the way they pursue like this. You get the point now. And the way I'm looking at him now, he's likely to lose that position of becoming as a PDP Senate president. Are you getting the point now? Because now the law in short, the name don't enter. Let's just say I'll pass to enter the blank book. And these people that are chasing him, they will do everything to bring him down. Even right now, he doesn't get destabilized. You understand? Good thing we say he gets support for the house, no doubt. You understand now? For them, politics are politics. It's all about interest. When the people they support them, maybe they give them 1 or 2, proposals they call enter this week. They go down give him and he's out.
But Emperor, beyond that support we get from the house, maybe we take them outside to Nigerians. The people where they call for his resignation, the unions where they call for his resignation, the groups where they call for his resignation, they don't know why they call for his resignation. At least for the country to move forward.
Yes, I get your point. It's all about this same corruption issue. And those where they outside, they don't even want to look at his person. They only just want to in terms of strongly as they make the institutions this strong.
Thank you.
And he has to be a good example to raise that institution to a standard.
Thank you.
You get the point now.
Yes.
So that is just the game plan. It's not about Saraki, but that position again to tell you say yes, a Senate president at a point was removed. So who are you? Where you understand what I mean? The other person where they fit in that the way go get the same matter. So he's a good example to, you understand what I mean now. So that's just the game plan.
Okay, Emperor Joe, thank you very much for this point where you don't carry
all right, my
your
brother.
point makes sense. We appreciate it. I mean, continue to watch and see the hot. Make you record to Chukma for inside the matter so that those who the matter concern will take the necessary action to move our country forward. Quickly, we go rush, enter market. When we go, come back, we'll go enter the final bus stop of Aside Hot and continue to the fire down they go.
You look me face, see the
Now still the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top StarTimes channel 195, and this now the only democracy when you're on top of television. As in the heart, the program when they carry all the talk wey concern all of us for inside obodo Nigeria, drop am down, give you license to talk am the way when the thing be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Ezugu Chukwudi Anunkwu dey inside studio, and wetin we dey discuss na as e take concern our Senate President and the case wey he get for the Code of Conduct Tribunal. Some people don talk say make him resign so that the case go straight. Other people don talk say until the court prove am guilty, say make him sit down for that office. We dey take your call, so hear wetin you get to talk for this matter. And everybody wey don call don prove say yes, Saraki, based on the way when this case dey, say some people hand dey under, make the man dey there until the court come out.
Chukwudi, hey, what do you mean by everybody? How many callers we don get?
Make I count the people who don't get.
No. How many callers?
No, make I count the people who don't get.
Why go say everybody?
How many people talk? How many people support what you dey talk?
What they talk? Why they not go support?
How many people support what you dey talk?
What do you mean of that one?
We fit count the people who support what you dey talk for our finger. Oga Soliu, he no even still sure.
Based on the number of callers who don't get.
Oga Agre,
and some people they neutral on this matter.
But see every other person.
Some people they neutral on this
Which
matter.
Which neutral? Who they neutral?
They either they here or there.
Nobody there anywhere.
Okay, our last call encore. Emperor. Oga Paul, good morning. I will not say your own matter, sir. I think you go fit judge well. Good morning.
Oga Kudi, good morning.
Good morning, Paul.
How una dey?
We dey fine.
Why they greet her 2 times? You want me to support you?
Concerning the matter at hand this morning, why will people, Nigerians, patriotic Nigerians, call for resignation now of the Senate President?
Thank you.
Because he has a matter in court. He's on trial. There are so many people on trial now. We can't say they should vacate offices until he's convicted. I'm not a lawyer, but at least basic thing about law. Until he's convicted, nobody should say he should step aside. Because there are so many issues of national interest.
Yes, okay.
That need to consider.
Oga Paul, if like say network don't come they enter. But you get very clear in wetin you talk. Oga Paul don't add to the number of people when we say they come and talk say make them allow him dey there until the court talk saying they guilty. Make that you talk. You get one thing when Oga Chile talk. No. Me I don't forget.
Okay.
You get one thing when Oga Chile talk. But before that one, make we take this Valentine from Kano. I go use Oga Chile points knock you out.
No time say
knock you out.
Valentine is just respect.
Oga Valentine, good morning, sir.
Respect yourself.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi Anunkwu.
Good morning, Oga Val. We dey hear you right on.
This is not the case of quarrel. Most of us don't understand what is on the ground about this Saraki case.
Continue, we dey hear you. I better reduce the volume of your television.
You see what? This Saraki problem now, something if you look at where we're going to plan GA. You understand? The plan now, what is about? Before this time, before this something now, the Eurobus and the Hausas, you understand? They know the rapport before. Because before we know anything, two of them got the rapport again. So now they don't say the Eurobus now want to come up with something, and now they want to bring something to say they will begin to push them out. And if they continue pushing Saraki out, maybe the next thing again, now the vice president.
The deputy Senate president.
So it's better we say Saraki to remain strong in his seat so that every other person will remain strong in their own seat.
Thank you very much, Oga Val. Yes, Oga Val, we hear your own point. But there we go still state up for this program. Say the issue of you occupy one political position, not be about one particular regional interest. Now collective thing, and because of say we be Nigerians, anybody will like make it sit down there. The major thing now make we see the result of what the person they do. Madam Ifi, all the way from PH. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Kubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning, madam.
People are doing a good job.
Thank you very much, man.
We thank God. This thing when they happen to Saraki, now monkey hand 9 days inside it. When you look at who be that leader when go first cast the first stone on Saraki? All of them get passed. Both Presido, CPO, everybody gets passed. So if then digging on from 2003, our Presido they will go digging on from PTF. Can't dig on from that NNPC saga case where they talk about 2.8 billion. Because everybody get passed too. We just they behave like say we not be Nigerians. We put our head for a 5 farm like ostrich. They waka, some people they carry us. Like all these our labor people when they thief for office. When they demonstrate. When they demonstrate. And then spoil Nigeria. They not they there. They feel demonstrate when work, they not pay workers. Then they sleep that time. Their office is not they work. Now today the thing starts. So Saraki, may they allow, may they take the man go court. If court say it is, and declare something false, may they say so. They say make he resign, may they take a monkey leg, take waka, enter there like vultures. We don't want that kind of thing. We want make Senate work. Senate na Nigeria, Senate not the APC.
Yes.
When I don't see una ministers, they don't come.
No.
Where then they come from? So we want make them rule Nigeria well. These people, make them bring out ministers. They say ministers are noise makers. They may not be noise makers, so they see the way then they do. Then they pick them already, they go different places for the world. So Nigeria will be star. So make this our old Baba, make he put young people for in cabinet, make them help and move Nigeria forward. Make he leave Saraki alone. If the law say Saraki a bad man, let them remove him. But for now, make it dead yet.
Madam Ifi, you don't finish
for
this
that
matter.
modeling voice where you take address this matter. In fact, somehow, I don't they relieved. No, just look me that way. I don't they calm on this issue.
You see,
in as much as I get my own views, Nigerians get their own views. Yes, I will just accept your own somehow. Just put on one side the way I'm.
Our elders they talk say better woman. Now like hot pepper soup for rainy season.
You don't do.
Here waiting, madam. See the way, madam, if you take free this course. I know they talk again. Our people, when they for us, they talk and say, excuse me, let me end the show. Madam, if you don't finish you.
Don't you ever say somebody finish me. Madam, if they address matter based on how she takes him.
But the matter finish you.
No, it don't do you.
Our people, when they for us, they talk and say, Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. Even though you get your point, your neighbor get him point, we go still sit down, discuss them, and agree on one thing. The one thing we agree on today be say, we no want corruption for this our country. Nigerians don't suffer for health, for the economy, for education, for security. If no be corruption, we know the day there since this country for no good. As we move this our country forward, make all of us join our hand together, speak with one voice against corruption. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. Unkubi, you still get power to talk.
The major thing
you still get power to talk.
Submit your name for CCB.
You
said, I will submit your name for
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.